Raise your standardized test scores by enrolling in one of our digital live classes. I'm Nick, the CEO of Test Prep Gurus. I earned a perfect score on the SAT, and over the last 15 years, my firm has helped thousands of students raise their SAT and ACT scores, all the while maintaining their sanity. Strong scores will open doors for you at top colleges and help you to win scholarships. The course consists of 20 live hours of instruction from some of our best instructors. You'll learn tips to read faster for a higher level of retention. We've got strategies to make the math problems easier, all the grammar rules you need to know to ace that section, and we'll help you maximize your scores with additional practice exams and homework exercises in between the classes. We've also got office hours where you can ask personal questions to the instructors based on the homework and the practice exams. We've taken everything we've learned over the last 15 years and jam-packed it into this course to help you maximize your scores. This course is ideal for 11th and 12th graders who are preparing to apply to college and 10th graders who want to get a jump on the process. To sign up, just click on the link and fill out your information. I look forward to seeing you in the class and helping you on the next step of your college journey. Let's go.